The station in Antwerp is considered one of the most beautiful in Europe. It was recently reconstructed and renovated, and a high-speed railway was built connecting it with Paris and other European cities. Those who came to Antwerp by train will not have to go far for the sights, as the first of them is already waiting on the platform. This is the Antwerp Central Railway Station, which, according to the American magazine Newsweek, is recognized as the fourth in the list of the most beautiful stations in the world, which is not surprising because the inhabitants of Antwerp even call this attraction the Gothic Railway Cathedral. Sobanto Station is hardly interesting as a transport hub, although it is located in the very center of the city. Nevertheless, it attracts crowds of tourists and is rightfully included in the top attractions of Porto. If you haven't seen Sobanto Station, you haven't seen Porto. This is one of the main attractions of the city, attracting millions of tourists every year. And it is all about the classic Portuguese tiled painting. The outer facade of the building is somewhat reminiscent of the architecture of Paris. It is made of stone with a mansard roof and is very beautiful. Needless to say about its inner frame, the walls of the station are lined with magnificent painted azulejo clay tiles. The tiles depict scenes of passenger traffic throughout their history. Grand Central Terminal in New York is the largest train station in the world and definitely worth a visit. Most people come to see the main hall in all its splendor, and he is really impressive. This station is the most recognizable among tourists because he was chosen by representatives of the cinema On the facade of the building there are many different architectural details, including the famous Tiffany clock. And the dome ceiling of the station is painted in golden azure tones, with painted stars and various astronomical figures. Here you can take a tour and tell about its construction and architectural decoration of the building. Copenhagen Central Station is the main train station in Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark. It is located on the island of Zealand and is the largest train station in Denmark. Copenhagen Central Station was opened in 1911 and is one of the busiest train stations in Scandinavia. More than 200,000 passengers pass through it every day, who can use various railway routes both inside and outside Denmark. The station offers a wide range of services, including cafes, restaurants, shops, atoms, pharmacies, as well as luggage storage. More than 200,000 passengers pass through it every day, who can use various railway routes both inside and outside Denmark. The station offers a wide range of services, including cafes, restaurants, shops, atoms, pharmacies, as well as luggage storage. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the Web TV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.